Guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, I put a poll on my Instagram and I was asking, do you have any side hustle or do you just rely on your 9 to 5? And I was shocked, like most of you do not have any side hustle. But do you guys know that you can have a side hustle that could actually pay you more than your main job, your 9 to 5? Yep, I know this one sounds unfamiliar to some guys, but guys, you can actually have a side hustle that could pay you more than your 9 to 5. And all you need is just 1 or 2 hours of your day. You don't have to do it the whole day. So this is what I'm going to be talking about in today's video. 8 side hustles that could actually pay you more than your 9 to 5 job. Like this video because it's gonna be so informative. The first side hustle that could actually pay you more than your 9 to 5 job is online writing. So for online writing, all you need to know is how to write, how to do online writing or freelance writing. And you need to have a space that is so quiet. So if you can get some 2 hours in your house at night when everyone is asleep so that you can concentrate and do this job, then you're good to go. All you need to do is to look for someone to train you or attend online training, because there are so many websites that offer online training for online writing. So get trained, get jobs and do them. All you need is only 2 hours of your night. So after you're done with your main job, you do this side hustle. And the good thing is that you can even get paid up to $3,030 in 1 hour. So how about that? Another side hustle that you can make more money than your 9 to 5 is becoming a wedding planner. You don't have to do this as a full-time job or an event planner. So you can become a planner of any kind of event. All you need to do is to market yourself and then study event planning skills. The good thing is that nowadays everything is online. So you can even go to YouTube. You can even go to YouTube and watch those event planning videos, how to plan weddings, how to decorate weddings, and then you get those jobs. And the best thing is that most of these events are usually planned during the weekends. So you don't have to quit your job to do this. And then you can even market yourself among your workmates. So you tell them you're an event planner, you're a wedding planner, and you know within no time you'll be getting gigs. And if you know very well right now, event planners are getting paid so much money. So I don't know what you're waiting for, guys. You should be an event planner right away. So the third side hustle that could make you more money than you think is creating an online shop. Good thing with online shop is that you don't have to physically be on the shop. You don't have to open a physical shop. You open a shop online, for example, on Instagram, and then market it even on Facebook. You know, we have Facebook Marketplace these days, so it's easy to post your products there, and that's it. You just chill and wait for people to follow you and buy your products. So all you need to do is to build that page. Make sure that page is specifically for that shop. Like, don't put any other post. Usianze kujipost hapo. No, create a page that is specifically a shop for your products. So if it's electronics that you want to sell, make sure it's only electronics that you post there. And that's it. You can even pay for sponsorship, like for Instagram to advertise you or for Facebook to advertise your shop. You only pay maybe $1,500 and within no time you have followers coming to your page to check your products. So you don't have to make it your full-time job. Once you get customers, you deliver them the items and that's it, guys. Another side hustle that could make you so much money is having a YouTube channel. I always tell you guys, YouTube channel is a side hustle. You don't have to make it your full time. Like, when you want something to be your job, you have to be dedicated to it, of course. So if you come to YouTube and you want to make money, you have to be dedicated. Make sure you post a video at least every week, if not twice. Like, you can post 1 video every week. And you know, within no time you'll have grown. Of course, it takes time to grow on YouTube, but you'll be patient enough, and you never know, you could even find one of your videos going viral and that's it. And the good thing with YouTube is Also, you don't have to make it your full-time job. All you need to do is find a day to shoot a video and you're good. I'll not talk so much about YouTube because I always tell you guys many tips of YouTube. I have done a full video on how to start a YouTube channel and how to make money. So you guys can go and check that video out and you'll definitely get to know how you can start a successful YouTube channel. I have given you ways in which YouTubers get paid. There are so many tips that you need to know. So guys, go and check those videos out. I'll definitely put them in the description down below so that you guys can check them out. I'll also put them at the end screen so that you guys can go and check them out, because definitely you need a YouTube channel. I mean, there are more than 1 billion users on YouTube. There are more than 1 million YouTubers. So why not be among the many YouTubers? And there is a space for everyone here on YouTube. You can never ever lack viewers. That is something that can never happen. As long as you're posting, you're going to get viewers. So don't be discouraged at you won't get views. No. YouTube is so fair, and it actually does the work of recommending you to other people. So start a YouTube channel, guys. Go and check those videos and get to know how you can begin from 0 subscribers. Another side hustle that could actually pay you so much money is social media influencing. I don't know if you guys know how much social media influencers make. Some make up to 300k per month. Yep, you can make so much money by becoming an influencer. All you need to do is to grow your social media account. And you can do that at the comfort of your seat. Like, you don't have to be at home the whole day. No, you can post anywhere and anytime you want. Like, you grow followers. I have done a video on how to grow followers on Instagram and actually how to make money with those followers. So you can check that video out. You'll definitely understand how to easily become a social media influencer and make so much money. Once you have those followers, like, followers are everything. That's why you see people telling you to follow them. Aki, follow me, follow, because people are actually making money by social media influencing. So if you want to make it a side hustle, then you can easily make it and you'll make so much money. And it's not only on Instagram that you can make money. You can also be an influencer on TikTok. By the way, TikTok videos are the best videos to make, because all you need to do is a short video, like a 15 seconds clip, and that's it. Guys, do you ask yourself why some influencers on TikTok are so committed? For example, Aziad, they are so committed. Do you think they don't get paid? They definitely get paid from doing TikTok. That's why you see them posting. Some post even twice in a day. So social media influencing is so good. You'll make so much money because all you need to do is grow followers. Once you have followers, brands are going to get attracted to you, and that's how you're going to make most of your money. You find something like Royco approaching you and telling you to advertise for them, and then they get to pay you that money. You can also find brands like Safaricom. You've seen influencers on TikTok actually advertising short video clips. Yeah, that's how they are getting paid. Social media influencing is one of the best ways to make so much money. And you don't have to be so present on social media. You don't have to make it your full-time job. It's just a side hustle that is so profitable. 6th side hustle that could make you more money than your full-time job is becoming a broker. Yeah, you heard that right. Brokers actually make so much money. That's why they don't like saying how much money they make. Like, you'll hear brokers telling you, my money cannot be measured. It usually depends with the month. No, they actually make so much money. So you can become a broker of land or rentals, depending on where you are. If you're in big towns, you can become a broker of rentals. If you're in the rural areas, you can become a broker of land. So all you need to do is to look for people who are renting houses or who are selling land. So for example, if someone is renting houses, you can create even a Facebook page. And then when people now want to come and you show them those houses, they have to pay you money. So they have to pay you money ndio uende waonyeshe hizo nyumba. And if you are broking land, you can actually tell somebody this land is going for 700,000. yet the land is going for 500,000. So you go to the owner of the land and you talk to them. You tell them you are actually a broker and you found a customer for them. They definitely will not disagree. Like, hawaizi kataa pesa, like they are looking for people to buy land. So that's how you become, you're like the middleman in between there. By the way, broking is so easy. Like, imagine you get just one deal in 1 month and you get your 100K. Broking land is the best. You don't even need to have many clients. If you get one in 1 month, that's it. You're good. This could actually pay you more than your full-time job. I know this one is an underrated job because many people think it's so much a hassle. But definitely you have to struggle to get any income. Like, I have not seen anywhere that you don't struggle to get that extra coin. You have to struggle. So you can become a broker and make so much money. Another side hustle that could give you so much money is poultry farming. The good thing about poultry farming is that you don't need to make it your full-time job. Definitely you can make so much money because all you need for chicken is to put them feeds and that's it. Yeah, if for example you have layers, if you want profits, definitely you need to have many chicks or many chicken. So instead of having like 20, make it like 70 or something of that sort, because the more chicken you have, the more profits you have. You can either have the broilers or the layers. And then make sure you are never out of supply. Every time, let people know that you supply. And if you have so many layers, you could actually supply to even schools, hotels, and something of that sort. Like, this one doesn't require you to be a full-timer, because for chicken, you put the feeds in the morning, early in the morning, or you can choose to put the feeds late in the night. So yeah, you don't have to be actively involved, and definitely you're going to make so much money. So yeah. So I'm hoping by the end of this video, you get to choose 1 or 2 side hustles you can start, guys. Because in this generation, actually people are making money from side hustles, not from their full-time jobs. Yeah, I'm not saying it's bad to have a full-time job, but make sure you have a full-time job and a side hustle. In this channel, we are all about making an extra coin, making some extra money. So make sure you have your full-time job and another side hustle, guys. I hope you guys choose 1 or 2 out of those side hustles so that they can be beneficial to you. Hoping this video was interesting. Guys, remember to like this video, definitely, because it was useful, and comment down below. Tell me which one was good for you. Tell me which one you already have, or in case you have questions, comment down below and ask me any kind of questions. I'll definitely be answering you guys as always. Yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next video. I really enjoyed doing this video. What do you guys think? Comment down below and tell me. Yeah, I'm hoping to see you guys in my next video. Remember to subscribe so that you won't miss on my other very informative videos. Until next time, bye guys!